Tired of spending hours designing thumbnails? What if I told you you can create jaw-dropping AI thumbnails like Gojo and Sanchez in just one click? Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to do it. First of all, open YouTube and go to Gojo's channel. Take a screenshot of the thumbnail style you want. Then, open ChatGPT and upload the screenshot. Add this prompt. Write the text you want in the brackets. I will provide this prompt in the description. Next, upload the image of the character you want. Wait for a while. The image will be generated shortly. You can also make some changes to the prompt as you like. As you can see, our image has been generated with just one click, without us providing any extra input. Now let's move on to the Sanchez style. Again, first take a screenshot of the thumbnail you want and do the same process in ChatGPT. Then, provide the image of your character and wait for the image to generate. As you can see, this time it didn't put a helmet on Madara's head. How do I tell it to add a helmet? Let's see what ChatGPT does. Look, it generated the image, and it looks really good. The best part is that this is free and made with just one click. Now I'll make a thumbnail in Sanchez style, because the previous thumbnail wasn't that good. I'll do the same process again with a new chat. And see the result. Wow! This time it generated two images. I have to choose one. The second one looks better, so I'll use that. Now I'll show you more samples I made with AI. As you can see, they all look really good. But if you make changes yourself, you can take it to the next level. Next, I'll show how these thumbnails look on YouTube. Open YouTube and check each sample. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. If you want a tutorial on how to make your own thumbnail, comment below. We'll meet in our next tutorial, which is about the mouth tunnel transition. Until then, take care and goodbye.